Welcome to Paris, the city of love. If you're ready for an unforgettable weekend, you're in the right place. We're going to explore famous landmarks, discover secret spots, and dive into amazing food. Whether it's your first time or you're a regular, this guide will show you how to make the most of your time here. Let's jump into Paris and make some memories you'll never forget. Day 1. The Louvre, Eiffel Tower, and the Arc de Triomphe. Start your first day in Paris with a visit to the Louvre, a massive former palace turned museum. Located in the heart of the city, this isn't just any museum, it's a gateway to history. With over 35,000 works of art, it takes you on a journey from ancient times to modern-day masterpieces. Get ready to be amazed by iconic pieces like the Mona Lisa, alongside Greek, Egyptian, and Oriental treasures. The Louvre is huge, and you'll want to spend at least 3 hours exploring its highlights. Don't miss the Egyptian exhibits. They'll make you feel like you've stepped back in time. On the first Sunday of each month, everyone gets in for free. After your Louvre adventure, head to Montmartre, a nearby neighborhood, to grab a bite and recharge. Once you've fueled up, it's time for a must-do: climbing the Eiffel Tower. Who doesn't dream of visiting this Parisian icon? Hop on the metro to Place du Trocadero for the best view. Standing at 325 meters, the Eiffel Tower is breathtaking from any angle. But don't stop there. Cross the Seine and get up close. If you're feeling adventurous, climb to the top. Imagine the view from 276 meters up, a 360-degree panorama of Paris, with sights like the Champs-Élysées and the Grand Palais spread out before you. Give yourself 2 to 2.5 hours to explore every level. Afterwards, relax with a picnic at the Champ de Mars, right beneath the tower. Next, take a stroll down the famous Champs-Élysées. Set aside 2 hours to enjoy the lively atmosphere, do some window shopping, or splurge at spots like Louis Vuitton or Sephora. Finally, head to the top of the Arc de Triomphe at the end of the avenue. The view? Incredible. You'll see the Eiffel Tower on one side and the Champs-Élysées stretching out on the other. A perfect end to your day. Day 2. Notre Dame Cathedral and the Latin Quarter. Start off your Day 2 with a visit to the famous Notre Dame Cathedral. Even though it's under repair after the 2019 fire, it's still worth seeing. The Gothic architecture is stunning, even from the outside. You can also join an outdoor guided tour to learn about its rich history, from its construction in 1163 to the fire, and discover what was lost and what survived. You can even explore the crypt, a small price to dive into centuries of history. Just a short walk away, you'll find Sainte-Chapelle. The 15-meter-high stained glass windows are breathtaking, especially when the sunlight shines through, creating a dazzling display of colors from biblical scenes. For something a bit spooky, head to the Conciergerie. This Gothic building was once a royal palace but became a prison during the French Revolution, where Marie Antoinette was held. Walking through its halls feels like stepping back into a haunting piece of history. For some relaxation, head to the lively Latin Quarter and stop by Place Saint-Michel. It's the perfect spot to wind down where Rue Saint-André-des-Arts meets Boulevard Saint-Michel. Be sure to snap a picture by the beautiful Saint-Michel fountain. It's a must-see. Now, for a little hidden gem, be sure to check out Rue de Scarron and Rue des Moulins. These charming cobbled streets are pedestrian-friendly and full of character, perfect for a relaxed stroll. It's an ideal spot to kick back at a cozy terrace, sip something refreshing, and just enjoy the enchanting atmosphere. Next stop is the Pantheon, a grand monument that's not only the final resting place of famous French figures like Victor Hugo and Marie Curie, but also offers stunning views of Paris from its dome. Inside, you'll find impressive frescoes and sculptures that are sure to wow you. For all the nature lovers, Jardin des Plantes is your next destination. It's not just an ordinary garden. It's one of the world's oldest botanical gardens, and it's filled with beautiful plants, trees, and flowers. Don't miss the picture-perfect greenhouses. And for all the animal lovers, our next stop is La Menagerie at Jardin des Plantes, home to 150 species working towards conservation. You'll see animals up close and learn about protecting endangered species. As dinner time approaches, get ready for a magical evening. Take a Seine River dinner cruise, and you'll enjoy a meal while sailing past the sparkling Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, and other famous landmarks. It's a fantastic way to see Paris from a new angle and enjoy some mouth-watering Parisian food at the same time. Don't forget to take plenty of pictures and make some memories, because this will be a night in Paris you'll never want to forget. Day 3. Les Marais, Musée d'Orsay, and Montmartre. On the last day of our Paris adventure, we're diving into the enchanting Les Marais district. First up, stunning private mansions that are begging for one final round of photos. History lovers, you're in luck. The district's museums are top-notch, including one that used to be the mansion of Madame de Sévigné, and of course, the famous Picasso Museum. Literature fans can't miss the Maison de Victor Hugo, where the legend once lived. St. Jack's Tower offers breathtaking views, and the spot where Blaise Pascal once worked his scientific magic. Not far away, Paris City Hall's Renaissance grandeur awaits, along with a lively Place de la Bastille and serene Porte de l'Arsenal, perfect for soaking up the last bit of the city's charm. For a final shopping spree, explore the trendy boutiques along Rue de Franc-Bourgeois and Rue du Temple. Need a sweet treat? Rue de Rosiers offers pastries that will give your trip a perfect send-off. Or you can savor global flavors at Marché des Enfants Rouges. Then it's off to Montmartre, where Paris's artistic soul comes to life. Drop by Café des Fleurs, Picasso's old haunt, and don't forget, the hillside here even has vineyards. Climb up to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica for one last breathtaking view, or hop on the Montmartre funicular for an easy ride up. As you wander through Place du Tertre, where artists fill the square with vibrant colors, maybe get a portrait done as a keepsake. Imagine legends like Renoir, Picasso, and Van Gogh walking these same streets. Wrap up the day by enjoying a cozy dinner in one of Montmartre's inviting restaurants. And for a bit of nighttime flair, why not catch a cabaret show or head to one of Montmartre's performance halls? End your 3 days in Paris with a flourish, dancing through streets filled with art, history, and yes, plenty of croissants. I hope you enjoyed our journey through Paris and feel ready to grab your bags and travel. But before you head out, you might want to first check out our ultimate solo travel guide on the screen below. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.